What if the truth destroys our economy? This video will prove the Earth is flat. No joke. 100% serious. We are currently in North Carolina and I'm going to fly to Hawaii while my friends simultaneously fly to Botswana, Africa, aka the other side of the earth. Once we are on exact opposite sides of the world, we have a test we want to perform. If this test fails, the earth is flat. I promise. So I'm waiting to board my flight and I'm actually pretty nervous. What if the pilot isn't paying attention and accidentally flies off the side of the earth? The government says people die in shark attacks, but we both know sharks are not real. It's clearly just people that were on a plane that flew off the side. It's flat. Nah. The earth, and then they just needed a cover up. It's a cube. For those of you people that don't, 57% of you don't think it. The cube theory was debunked in 1920. Some crazy nut jobs still believe in it, but obviously they're insane. It's clearly flat. Here's all the proof you need. Fortnite is flat, which means our earth is flat. Fortnite wouldn't be wrong. What you're looking at right now is a bunch of clouds. You may not know this, but clouds are actually made by the government to disguise the fact that the world is flat. Think about it. If it wasn't for these clouds, you'd be able to see to the edge of the earth. That would ruin everything.
We made it, guys.
We almost were late. Is Earth round or flat?
Flat. If you put water on Earth, it would fly up.
Alright, so we just heard this. Is there any chance we're gonna like fall off Earth that our flight got delayed because of the edge of the Earth? I know it's ground stop, but this will not stop.
Alright, let's call Tyler and see what they're up to. Hey, are you ready to prove the earth is flat?
Dude, you have no idea how ready you are. I think this is going to be the proudest moment of my entire life.
We're going to disprove all our teachers. Alright, I'm T-minus 20 hours away. 20 hours till the world gets woke.
Alright, we made it in New York safely. We're pretty excited about going to Africa.
Earth is flat or round? No. Do you know if the Earth is round or flat?
Is the Earth round or flat? Round?
What?
Is the Earth round or flat?
This pizza?
No, the Earth. This is the strongest magnet on the face of the
Flat.
Exactly. Okay, good. You got it. The Earth. And I actually got my hands on one. If you look closely.
So I arrived in Hawaii a little bit early. And while I'm waiting for Tyler to land in Africa, I want to prove the world isn't a donut. I know it's crazy and might seem hard to believe, but some people think the earth is a donut, and we're going to prove that wrong.
Hey, what's up, man?
I need you to fly to Illinois and help me test and see if the world's a donut.
A donut? Yeah. That sounds, yeah.
Yeah? Alright. Let me know when you land in, like, what, a day or whatever?
Yeah, it'll take me about a day to get there, but yeah, I'll be there. Probably like tomorrow sound good?
Yeah, tomorrow works. Alright, call me when you get there. I'm currently right here. I'm gonna have Chris fly over to here, and then he's gonna put a magnet donut. If they don't zip to each other down, I'm gonna put a magnet down if this image is fake. And if they zip to each other, the earth is...
Alright, so I'm going on a flight to Illinois.
So I think they found that we have the strongest magnets in the world, and it might have set off some kind of alarm.
So we turned off the magnet real quick and made the alarm go off. So we'll turn it back on when we get to Africa. Made it through the doors. This is outrageous. I just got on this plane. They give these away for free for everyone. You just put them over, now you can't see anything. The government literally uses these small little blindfolds to shield your eyes. So the flight attendants, it's disgusting. They just put down all the windows just so we couldn't see outside because it's quote unquote bright, when in reality we probably would see the end of the earth. So while we're waiting for them to land in Africa, I just want to explain the science behind a flat earth. A lot of you were wrongly indoctrinated, and I just want to explain things to you. You see, gravity isn't real. Earth is just always moving up. Now, it may have looked like gravity pulled that ball down, but what actually happened is the ball sat in the air and Earth came up and met it. For real, guys, if the Earth was spinning at 2,000 miles an hour, don't you think we would just fall off? Obviously, the Earth is flat. Even I don't know what I'm saying. Another thing, because if you spin at 2,000 miles an hour, theory that I know a lot of you are fans of is, well, flat. You don't
the cat theory, and I just want to say this is obviously fake. I mean, cats can't breathe in space. I know cats are sometimes this big, like, the size of planets, but just thought I'd point that out because I know a lot of you believe in the cat theory. But just because I don't believe in the cat theory doesn't mean I don't think the turtle theory is plausible. Obviously, I'm not stupid. I realize turtles can breathe in space. My only issue with the turtle theory is I just have a hard time believing, turtles can move that fast through space. I'm not saying it's not possible. I'm not blasphemous. I just have a hard time believing it. This right here is what Earth looks like. According to my calculations, they should be arriving in Africa in about 5 seconds. I'm so excited. I've waited my whole life to expose
What are you doing?
I'm flossing in Africa.
the lies of the world.
I don't know how else to explain this, but we just walked out of the airport. We walked to this sign. We're in the middle of Botswana right now. After lots of research and experimenting, we knew that this was the exact location that we need to put this magnet for it to go through the ground, if the Earth is round. Now all we do is wait for Jim to call, put his magnet down, and see what happens. Hey, what's up, Jim?
All right, Tyler, are you in Africa on the exact other side of the world?
Yes, I am.
Are you in possession of the most powerful magnet in the world? There are only 2 of these magnets. I have one, you have the other, correct?
Absolutely.
Good. Honestly, I have to pull the moon towards us. That's how, I have no idea how we got these through airport security. How powerful they are. All right.
Can you
If we wanted to, we could use these.
please place your magnet on the ground?
I am replacing my magnet on the ground.
His magnet is on the ground. And please confirm your location.
My location is right in front of the Gaborone sign in Botswana.
All right, perfect. That's exactly where I wanted you. You want to know where my location is?
I would love to.
Hawaii. All right, let's do this. I need to be careful. This magnet's super powerful.
Don't lose your finger.
Wait, do you have ice? Like, if this magnet takes my finger through the earth, will you be able to put my finger on ice so I can get it reattached?
Absolutely. There's the airport's right here. I will sprint there just to get you ice for your finger.
Here we go. Tyler, I'm doing it.
All right, give a countdown.
3. Maybe it just needs to say 2. Second or 2 to get zipped through the earth.
Maybe
1. It's there.
you gotta move it to the right a couple inches. I bet that's the problem.
Yeah, you're right. All right, let me move mine to the right, which means you need to move yours to the left a couple inches. I move mine to the right. Nothing's happened. Here, you know what? I brought a calculator with me. Let me do some calculations. Yes, okay. Okay, I might be in the wrong spot. Let me go try this other spot outside. Just in case there's a fluke, I moved to a new spot. All right, is your magnet on the ground?
Yep.
So I might have been a little bit off on the longitude and latitude, and I want to make sure 100% that what I'm putting out there is true, because this could literally change the world. I'm in a completely new spot. We're gonna put the magnet on. Said his is still on the ground. On the ground. All right, Tyler's your, and also the magnet is not. Magnet's still on the ground.
Yes, it is.
Sticking. As you guys can clearly see, it is not getting sucked through the earth, which further proves my point. The earth is not round. Not once, but twice my theory held up. What more proof do you need? Tyler, do you realize what we just did?
I think I do.
We just proved the earth is flat. I don't even know if we should release this footage. Like, a lot of the world's revenue comes from making globes. What are they gonna do now? No one likes flat maps.
A lot is an understatement. Most of the world revenue comes from globes.
Man.
I don't know. Is this something that would be smart to share?
What if the truth destroys our economy? Did you ever think about that?
Why were we put in charge with this difficult task?
I know. Why didn't you guys believe lies, or we kill the one of you guys prove the earth was flat? Why were we the world's economy?
It's gonna start World
Having to decide the fate of humanity. Either
War III.
it will. We just have the fate of the world in our hands, and I don't know. I need some time to think on this. You want to know what I'm most disappointed about?
Tell me, Jim. Tell me.
I bought some bread, and I was really excited to make the world a sandwich, but if the world's not round, and he lays a piece of bread and I lay a piece of bread, it's not a sandwich. It's just a flat earth with 2 pieces of bread. So annoyed.
That's fine.
Technically, if the world wasn't flat, this would make a sandwich and make a pretty cool video. But it means nothing now.
Tyler, here's the thing that blows my mind. These guys are so stupid that they probably think they're living on a sandwich right now, but the world's not a globe.
Now the question is, do we not
Well, to be fair, there's
share that with them? Will they
one other theory we have to disprove. The
be able to fathom this phenomenon?
world could still be a donut, so do not panic yet. I need to confirm with Chris the world isn't a donut because there's a circle in the middle. You're on the other side of the circle in the middle, whereas me and Chris are on the same, little plane. Just he's on the other side of it.
Let me try something. If the Earth is a donut, it would probably taste good, right?
It would. You should try eating some dirt.
It doesn't taste very good.
Does it? You're telling me the Earth doesn't taste like a donut?
No, not at all. It tastes disgusting.
But to be fair, this donut is really, really old. Like, it might have just gone bad.
Oh, okay, well that makes sense. It did taste like a really, really, really old donut.
Exactly. Yeah, it probably tasted like a couple million years old donut. So I'll keep you updated on it. 100% proof the Earth on how our donut chase goes isn't round, but it still might be a donut.
We have landed here in Illinois. Going to be proving the Earth is a donut. So I'm here in Chicago, Illinois. I mean, look how flat that road is.
All right, guys. Chris is calling. Let's see if he made it. Hey, did you make it to Illinois?
Yeah, 375 something, right?
All right, Chris. I just put my magnet on the ground. Put your magnet on the ground, and let me know if it gets sucked through the Earth to my magnet.
Alright, my magnet's on the ground. It's not really doing anything.
All right, do not fret. It's okay. I didn't actually think the world was a donut. I just wanted to confirm. You can go back home now.
But wait, I thought since,
Apparently the moon's not a donut hole. I know.
the moon was the donut hole, it was
I thought the same thing. So enjoy your flight.
really a donut, is it not?
No, back home.
See
Yeah,
you tomorrow.
yeah. I really appreciate you flying all the way out there just to test this for me, man. You're the MVP.
Yeah, no problem. Just a couple of days wasted and a lot of money, but it's cool, we had to prove it, right?
Dude, at least now the viewers know the world isn't a donut. Here, I'm gonna
It
look.
is not a donut.
You're welcome, guys. For all you wondering if you're living on a donut, you're not.